Hello everyone and welcome to another demo. Today we're going to be going over some of the Locomotion and IK systems that I have gone ahead and made. So today we're going to be looking at like the animated stuff. So as you can see here we have an IK kind of avatar with these three trackers here, and this character will move based on where these trackers are. And it will use inverse kinematics to figure out where things like the elbow and the feet and everything are. And it's very accurate, and it's a very good system going on here for IK. So that's just the simple IK aspect of it. But when we move on to locomotion, one of the tricky things is figuring out procedural animation within a user's play space. So when, let's say, the head is just moving around like so. That's one of the tricky things to figure out. But also another thing to figure out is whether the player is walking, like as you can see here, by me just moving the transforms of the head and the hands. I am simulating a player locomoting around and walking. But as you can see, the avatar moves like so. Now the animations aren't the best quality, so the animations might look a little funny, but it's mainly the code behind the animations that is what we're looking at today. So as you can see, yeah, I'm just moving it around. If I rotate the head like so, the body will move. And yeah, it all works very smoothly. So also now what we're going to be looking at is the feet. So as you can see right now, the feet are directly on the floor, planted very nicely. And if we go over an object, like this little prism here, you can see how the foot places like that, and that's just another little IK part that we're using, but it also works with the animator, of course. As you can see there, the feet are adjusting to the little plane, and even if we lift up the character a little bit here and then continue moving it, it all works very nicely. And yeah, that is it's a very simple system, but it works very well, and it is very powerful. And yeah, I won't be going into a lot of the code here today. Oh, well, no, I won't be going into the code. Yeah. Anyways, that's just a little showcase of the animated system. Thanks for watching.